Mom. Help!
Hello, owner. No parking here.
Isn't that my ex-husband? Haven't seen you in years, now you're a security guard.
Xiao, Xiaolan.
What's that smell? It's that pathetic smell on you. Useless thing, waking up early was good. Otherwise, how could I have the life I have now?
Xiaolan. No parking allowed here.
Xiaolan, who's Xiaolan? Call me Mrs. Xiong. My husband is Xiong Bingqing, the general manager of Huatian Group. This community was developed by him. If you mess with me, you'll be out of a job in no time.
Fire lane. Move your vehicle due to fire safety law.
What's going on? The security guard is hitting someone.
Can't park here. Fire truck won't get through if there's a fire.
Uncle Juan, let it go. It's your first day at work. Don't cause trouble.
She parked her car here.
Qing Kai Kung, I'm telling you, don't scare me with a fire code. You'd better know your place. Security guards are animals owned by the owner. I'm parked here today. If anyone dares to move my car, I'll tear him apart.
Mom!
Mom's little sweetheart.
Mom, I'm hungry.
I'll order takeout for you.
Okay.
Need one for Mahjong. Hurry up.
Okay, I'm on my way. Sweetie, I'm going out to buy treats. Wait a bit, okay?
All right.
Oh right, don't tell your dad about this. It's our little secret.
Mom, save me. Mom. Save me.
Fire! Emergency. Building 5 is on fire.
Bang.
What? There's a fire in our neighborhood?
What? Where?
Seems like Building 5.
Building 15, that's far. Quick, quick. We can do a few more rounds.
Whose car is this? Move it.
Let me find it. Who is this person? Didn't even leave a number.
I know.
That's your ex-wife's car.
Bye, Xiaolan. Hurry up and move the car.
Xing Chicheng, are you crazy? So many cars are parked illegally and you just have to pick on me.
The neighborhood is on fire now.
It's not like I started the fire.
Car blocking the road. Fire truck can't get through.
Take detour if car can't get through? There are so many roads in the neighborhood, why do you have to oppose me? Xing Chicheng, I'm telling you, I'm on a winning streak. I don't have time to move the car.
Hello.
Mom.
Are you done? If you call me again, I'll rip your skin off.
Mom, help me!
Hey, Mom. Honey. What's up?
News reports the fire in our neighborhood. Are you and Zeke okay?
It's alright, the fire is in building 15, it's 5 buildings away from us.
Glad to hear that. I don't know why. My heart is pounding hard.
Stop worrying, Zichi is fine at home.
I'm over 50 and finally have this precious son. All my assets will be inherited by him. My son's life is more important than mine. If I'm not worried about him, then who? Xiaolan. You weren't out playing mahjong, were you?
No such thing. Ziki. Hold on, I'll be right there to help you with your homework. Alright, honey, stop worrying.
Okay, as long as it's fine.
What's up? Got a new favorite? Can't even play mahjong now?
My son is his precious. If he finds out. I left my son at home to play mahjong, he'd tear me apart. If he stops my card, how am I supposed to play mahjong with you?
Had my son over 50, he's my treasure.
By the way, Xiaolan, did the security guard ask you to move the car?
Move car? I'm on a winning streak. None of you tried to leave.
This fire started, my luck skyrocketed. This fire is for Xiaolan.
Yes, this fire is for me. The bigger the better. None of you should think about leaving today. We, the 4 flowers, rarely get together. We're partying till dawn.
Hi, the number you dialed is powered off.
Has the owner come yet?
Powered off.
What? It's a matter of life and death, and she turns off her phone. How could you have such an ex-wife?
Whose car is so arrogant?
Seems like some rich person's pet canary in the neighborhood.
That woman parks all over the place.
She parked in my spot, couldn't find her.
She has no manners.
If I see that person, I have to punch her.
No way. The other road is too far from the hydrant. We need to figure out how to move this car.
What should we do? Call a tow truck?
It's too late. Help out!
Come on, hurry up.
Come on, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. One, two, three, go. One, two, three.
Xiaolan, this your car?
1, 2, 3, go. One, two, three, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Stop. Who authorized you to touch my car without my permission?
Bye Xiaolan. Fire lane, can't park here. Called and didn't answer, now think you're right? Move the car.
Yeah, girl. If you block, how can the fire truck get in?
Yeah, girl, move aside.
That's right, move aside.
Blocking the fire exit, can people pass?
Move for what? My husband developed this neighborhood. I'll park wherever I want.
Bye Xiaolan. Now's not the time for tantrums. The neighborhood is on fire right now. Failing to extinguish the fire will cause a gas explosion and deaths. Can you take responsibility? Move out of the way.
It's not my house that's on fire. If you can, arrest me.
This woman is not a good person, never seen someone this ruthless.
Move. Do you know how much this car costs? Can you afford to fix it if you damage it?
Hurry up and move the car, otherwise it will be too late.
This is my new car I just bought. BMW. You scratched such a long mark on it.
Okay, move aside now. I'll pay.
Can you afford it? Loser.
How much?
At least 50,000.
How much?
50,000.
Do you have any conscience at all? This is a matter of life and death, and you extort us.
You old bastard, watch your mouth. Fire in neighborhood due to poor property management. I haven't even held your property management accountable. Whether someone died is none of my business.
That damn woman is so arrogant. I'm definitely going to teach her a lesson today.
Don't be rash. Let's go together. Move her car, see her reaction.
Right, let's go together.
Let's see who dares. Let's see who dares. This car is 3 million. If there's any damage today, none of you can escape. Come on. Weren't you just so righteous? 50,000 bucks. I'll move the car.
I don't have that much money.
Why play hero when you're broke?
Let's say I owe you, okay? Move the car, please.
Alright, kneel and apologize.
Why?
Miss, don't go far. If an apology is needed, we apologize. But why kneel?
Yeah, don't push it too far.
We live in the same community. We see each other often. Necessary to be so arrogant?
Who sees you all the time? I'm about to move into a big villa, which is different from you poor folks.
So now being a girl makes you feel superior, huh? I never thought I'd see the day.
Watch your mouth.
Wanna fight? Come on, I'm not scared.
Fine. No apology, huh? Then I won't move my car. Let's see who can outlast who.
Chi Chang, there's no time. Or maybe you could.
Why isn't the fire truck here yet?
I'm coming.
Child in house on fire. If we don't hurry, it'll be
By Xiaolan, there's a child in the burning house. Can you live with your conscience if something happens?
It's not my house that's on fire. None of my business.
By Xiaolan, have kids? Put yourself in my shoes. What if it's your kid trapped?
It's the kid's fault he didn't have responsible parents. God's life is good. He deserves it.
I see. I've overestimated your boundaries.
Don't put that on my head. You're the one who's holding up the fire.
The worst thing I've ever done in my life is marrying a woman like you. Okay. I kneel. Alright then.
Crawl over here on your knees and apologize, and I'll move the car immediately.
I was wrong. Could you move the car? Okay. I'm sorry.
You're late. I don't want to move now.
What did you say?
What's wrong with you?
I can't take it anymore. Let's all go together. I don't believe one woman can control everything.
Yeah, it's just 3 million. I'll donate 10,000. Go. If not, forget being a...
You guys. Just wait, I'm calling reinforcements now. Hello. Your sisters got bullied, hurry over here. Just you wait.
Don't be scared, the 4 golden flowers are here. I'm golden flower.
I'm orchid.
You can't bully a woman. To bully an orchid, go over our heads.
Damn it. I think you're all 4 weirdos.
I dare you to beat a woman in front of so many people. See if you dare hit a woman in front of all these people.
Let's see who dares to do it. I'm an internet celebrity. If you dare to hit me, I'll blow your brains out.
Yeah.
Isn't he here yet? If he doesn't come soon, we can't save the baby.
What are you waiting for? Go, go, go. Wanna fight, huh? Get out of my way.
Don't hit me, just move aside.
Alright, I'll move. I'll move the car.
Don't fuck with me, or I'll kill you.
I'll move the car.
What's going on?
Why are there nails?
Ching, I've got one here too.
Did you do it?
So what if it's me? Are you okay now? I'll let you bully women again.
I don't usually hit women. But you're no longer a human being.
If you dare to hit me, I'll make my husband make you lose your job, and you'll never find another one in the whole city.
I hope you won't regret what you've done.
Don't worry, now that the kid is gone, I'll burn more paper money for him.
The kid can't hold on anymore.
Oh no! Save him, hurry, hurry!
Fall down, fall down, fall down. Fall down.
Help!
Fall down.
Help, Mom! Oh, help!
Kid.
Hey, kid, wake up. Hang in there. Kid.
Child.
Move, nurse.
Child. Kid. Don't sleep. Don't sleep. Bye, Xiaolan. If anything happens to my child, I will pursue it to the end.
Ching Chi Chong, this isn't over between us.
Child, hold on a bit longer. Just hold on a bit longer. Kid.
Uncle. Where's my mom?
Wait a moment. Good kid, your mom is on her way. Don't fall asleep, okay?
I want my mom. Mom. It hurts so much.
You must save the child, doctor.
I tried my best, but the child inhaled too much smoke and fell from such a height, breaking several ribs. I'm afraid the prognosis is not good.
It's all that woman's fault. If she did not delay rescue, how did the child fall from upstairs? Child.
Mom, it hurts so much. I want my mom.
Don't fall asleep. Don't fall asleep, kid.
Uncle, I'm so sleepy.
I know. Hang in there. Mom's coming soon.
Tell Mom and Dad. I love them.
I'm not saying. Kid, if you want to say it yourself. Don't fall asleep. Kid. Hang in there a bit longer. Don't fall asleep. Kid.
I'm sorry. We've done our best. We did our best.
Kid.
Chang bro.
Chi-Chiang, how's the kid? There are people like this in the world. Worse than animals.
If it weren't for her, the fire would have been out long ago and the child would have been saved.
And the other 3 women. She looks quite decent. But she's got a heart of a snake.
Yeah. Chang, say something, how's the kid?
Yeah, Chi-Chang. Speak up.
The child. Gone.
It's my fault. If I had pulled the woman away sooner, the child wouldn't have died. The child was so young.
How heartbroken his parents would be if they knew.
Don't blame yourself. We did our best. It's just his bad luck that he met such a woman.
Ching Kai Kung, pay back the money, not a penny less than $50,000.
Money, money, money. What do you know about money? It's because of you. The child is dead.
Ching Chi Chung, are you crazy? The child is dead, what's it got to do with me? It's not your child.
Yeah, it's not my child. And it's not his child either. But he's a living person. He's so young. In the ambulance, he held my hand tightly. Before he fell into a coma, he was still calling out Mom.
Blame it on his own bad luck. Who else to blame? Better off dead. The sooner you die, the sooner you're reborn. In your next life, be born to responsible parents.
You. Broken car. It's all your fault, this lousy car.
Ching Chi Chung, how dare you scratch my car?
So what if I did? I wish I could crash into you.
How dare you hit me? This slap is for your selfishness. This slap is for your arrogance. This slap is for you, for causing an innocent child's death.
Innocent child, he was a living life. He was so young, holding my hand tightly, calling out for Mom.
It hurts. I want my mom. Mom.
Ching Chi Chung, I'll tear you to pieces. Xiong Bingching, your wife is being bullied. Come quick. Kill them. Xiong Bingching, your wife is being bullied. Come quick. I'll kill them.
Let's go. Ignore that bitch.
None of you can leave. Today, you're all gonna die.
Fine. Come here, you illegally parked, blocked the fire lane, and punctured the fire truck's tire. Kid's dead, you're still causing trouble. You've broken the law, understand? I can call the police and have you arrested.
Trying to scare me, huh? Let me tell you, my husband is the CEO of a public company. He knows people who are all significant and influential. Crushing you would be like crushing an ant. Let's see who the police arrest first.
So what if you're rich? Everyone saw how you obstructed the fire rescue. Wait until the police come. Let's see if you can still be so arrogant.
Yeah. They can all testify.
Yeah, I'll go with you.
Fine, fine, fine. You think I'm scared of you, huh? You bunch of poor losers. He developed this entire community. What right do you have to yell at me here? And you, Ching Chi Chung, I endured so many hard times with you. Now that I'm finally living well, what's wrong with me parking wherever I want? The kid is dead, blame his parents for not watching him. What's it got to do with me? You useless loser, you just look down on me, but I'm doing better than you.
Stop it. Stop it.
They're hitting someone.
Honey. Are you okay?
Honey, you're finally here. They not only hit me, but also smashed my car. You have to help me teach them a lesson and send them all to jail.
Do you have any respect for the law? In broad daylight. They smashed my wife's car and even attacked people. Who gave you the guts?
You're Bai Xiaolan's husband. I suggest you ask your wife what exactly she did today. Even if she got hit. Even if she gets beaten to death, she deserves it.
Who are you? So arrogant. Even if my wife did something, you shouldn't smash her car and hit her. Bullying a woman, what kind of man are you?
I never bully women. But Bai Xiaolan is not even a woman, not even a person. If she hadn't parked illegally and punctured the fire truck's tire with a nail, it wouldn't have hindered the rescue and killed that child.
Is he telling the truth?
Honey, don't listen to their nonsense. That kid fell from upstairs on his own. It has nothing to do with me. That Ching Chi Chung was my ex-husband. He's just looking for trouble because he sees I'm doing well now.
You're being unreasonable. Brother Chang was trying to save someone. But you wouldn't move your car.
Just. That kid was so young and died. Don't you feel guilty?
You poor fools. Stop blaming me. The kid was unlucky, nothing to do with me. Blame his irresponsible parents for leaving him home alone. And blame yourselves. If you had apologized to me sooner, he wouldn't have died. It's all your fault.
You're twisting facts. Everyone saw you refuse to move your car and puncture the fire truck's tire. Everyone can testify.
Testify to what? You security guards really think you're something, don't you? My husband. This entire community was developed by him. Believe it or not, I can have him fire you right now.
Get fired, huh? Great, I don't want to work here anymore.
I'm quitting.
Yeah, I quit. I quit too.
Yeah, I quit.
You rebels. I quit, perfect timing. Leave here, let's see who dares to take you. You paupers, trying to act like heroes. Go and drink the northwest wind.
Bai Xiaolan, don't be smug. You're partly responsible for the child's death today. Once I find the child's parents, I'll take you to court. You'll pay for your arrogance and cold-bloodedness.
Scared of you? My husband knows people with influence. You poor folks probably can't even afford a lawyer. How dare you smash my car? I'll make sure you rot in jail.
Enough. Everyone is at fault for what happened today. Let's settle it privately. I'll definitely compensate you for your losses. As for you guys, you damaged my wife's car. No compensation needed. But you must apologize to her.
Not just an apology, they have to kneel and apologize to me.
In your dreams. How could I possibly apologize to a woman as heartless as you?
Who are the parents of the child? The child has already passed away. Are we going back to the hospital now, or are the parents taking the child to the funeral home? Let's bury him soon.
Doctor, the child's parents haven't been found yet. Can I take the child there first?
Cheng, I'm going.
I'm going too.
Don't go.
All right. Stop kidding. Are you going to the funeral home too? Let me ask you, where's Zeke?
Zeke is at home, safe and sound.
Are you sure? Did you see him at home yourself?
I'm sure. I just went up to check. Zeke is at home playing with his toys and even asked me when Dad would come back to play with him.
That's good. I still have some work at the office. I'll go first, you head home and be with our son.
Okay, I know.
Then I'll leave first.
Goodbye, honey.
Cremation needs the biological parents' approval. Contact the child's biological parents soon.
Alright. Stay here and watch. I'll make a call to see if they found his biological parents. Found owner of house that caught fire today?
We found the owner's contact information, but no one answers the phone.
If you can't find them, keep looking, keep contacting. The child's body is now at the funeral home. Cremation needs parental consent. What are you doing here?
You smashed my car, I'm here for you to pay up. By the way, let's see how that short-lived kid gets cremated.
By Xiaolan. Do you have any humanity left? You're also a parent. Watch mouth for child's sake.
Shut up. My son is going to be blessed with long life and fortune. Not like that soul inside. Hurry up and pay. 3 million. Not a penny less.
I don't have that much money.
No cash? Sell a house. If the house isn't enough, sell a kidney or blood. Aren't you always standing up for others? I'll let you really stand up now.
By Xiaolan, how dare you cause trouble here again?
Why wouldn't I? He damaged my car. It's only right that I come for compensation.
By Xiaolan is at the funeral home now. We'll sell our business later. Don't worry, when the police come, I'll make sure to tell them how you hindered the rescue and pushed the kid to the brink.
You think you can call the police and have me arrested? Wishful thinking.
The child is lying inside. Everyone saw how you obstructed the rescue. All the evidence is there. You will definitely face the law's punishment.
Scaring me. I'd like to see how much trouble you can cause. A few penniless heroes want to sue me. I'll destroy the evidence now. Let's see what you can do. Since you're dead, I'll just send you for cremation sooner. The sooner you're cremated, the sooner you can move on. You little piece of trash, you're dead. Don't think you can stir up any trouble. Hurry up and reincarnate already.
Brother Chang, the child's body is missing.
What? Could it be someone from the funeral home moved the body?
I just asked the funeral home, no one touched the child's body.
Then where did the child go? Who else went into the morgue?
Someone saw a woman enter the morgue.
A woman. A woman. Bai Xiaolan must have taken the child. Go find her. Bai Xiaolan. Where's the baby? Where did you take it? Where's the kid? Where did you take it?
If you can't find the kid, what's it to do with me?
Staff saw you enter the morgue. If not you, who else could it be?
Just because I went to the morgue doesn't mean I took the child. Plus, what would I do with a child's body? So unlucky.
Only a few of us went into the morgue. If you didn't take the child, did the body leave on its own?
How is it impossible? At the morgue, saw dead kid move, thought coming back to life. It scared me. Maybe walked away on his own.
You really saw the kid move?
Not necessarily. I might have seen it wrong.
That's great, the kid's still alive. Let's go find the kid quickly. Wait a minute. What are you doing in the crematorium?
I was bored, just taking a walk. Is this funeral home yours? Why so nosy?
Leave her alone, find the child and get him to the hospital quickly.
A bunch of idiots. I tricked them with just a few words. By the time you get him back, that kid's been ashes for a long time now. Hey, little one. If you want to blame someone, blame your luck. Who told you to mess with me alongside those people? Go reincarnate sooner.
I don't know what's wrong. I feel restless today. I wonder what Xiaolin and Ziki are doing.
Owner of Building 5, Unit 502? Fire at your place today. Child fell and died despite rescue efforts. Body sent to funeral home.
You must be mistaken, right? Fire is in Building 15, in Building 5.
We've confirmed the fire was indeed at Building 5, Unit 502. My condolences.
Did you find anyone?
No.
This child is injured, can't have gone far. How could we search the entire funeral home and not find anyone?
Cheng. Do you think that woman might be lying to us?
Let's go ask her again.
I'll cremate you early so you can be reborn sooner. In your next life, be a child of a wealthy family. Meet responsible parents. I haven't been home all day. No idea if Ziki, that rascal, is behaving at home.
Let me ask you. Are you sure you saw the child move? By Xiaolan. Are you sure you saw the kid move?
No way. The kid fell from such a height, must be dead. How could he move?
Then why did you tell us you saw the kid move?
How did this Chu furnace start working? What did you do?
Aren't you looking for the child? He's right there. They're probably all just ashes now.
You cremated the kid. Yeah, I did.
I figured his parents never came to find him. Just kindly cremated him first. So he can rest in peace sooner and be reborn well.
By Xiaolan. You're simply insane. How could you privately bring the child's body for cremation? What right do you have to do this? His parents didn't get a chance to see him one last time. Do you know this is illegal?
Illegal? What law did I break? I didn't kill anyone or set any fire. I was just being nice by cremating an unclaimed body. Even if his parents knew, they'd thank me. I did them a big favor.
Why are you so kind? You're just afraid of keeping the kid's body. We'll take you to court in the future.
Just kidding. What do I have to be afraid of? You should be the ones afraid. You mob dared to smash my car. I'll make sure you pay until you go bankrupt. Crushed under my foot, you'll never get up.
I always tolerated you before. But I didn't expect you to be such a detested beast.
Let go.
Let her go.
Honey, save me. They're going to kill me. Please save me.
Xiaolan, where's our child?
What child? Honey, I went to the funeral home to ask for money, and they tried to kill me. Luckily you came, or I'd be dead. Honey, arrest them all and kill them. Honey, what's wrong? Why are you looking at me like that?
Didn't I tell you to stay home and take care of Zichi? Why did you come to the funeral home?
Isn't Ziki at home and doing well? But I couldn't bear to see them bully me. I came to ask them for money.
Are you sure Ziki is at home and well?
I'm sure. Xiong Bingqing, you hit me.
You didn't even know the house was on fire, and you dare to say Ziki is fine at home.
Honey, what are you talking about? That kid is from building 15, not our Ziki.
The undertaker called me today. The fire was in block 5, not block 15.
How could I not know if the fire was in block 5?
The fire was in building 5 today.
Impossible. I saw it with my own eyes. Building 15 was on fire, not building 5.
Were you playing cards again?
I wasn't. I just went to check it out. For a bit. Honey, believe me, when that kid fell from upstairs, I was there. He really wasn't our Ziki. Honey. They teamed up to frame me. You have to believe me.
Let me ask you. What about the kid from the funeral home?
I don't know, I didn't see it.
Let me tell you. That child was cremated by Xiaolan herself.
What?
What? That's your child?
If it really is their child, they brought it on themselves.
Open the door, my child is inside. Open up.
Honey, what are you doing? Our child is safe at home.
Where's the child? Tell me, where is my son?
Yes.
You bitch, I'll kill you.
I really didn't lie to you. We can call him now. Look, it's connected.
No way. I think I heard something. The sound is coming from in here.
Open the door, hurry, open it quickly.
Things fell out before incineration. Likely child's belongings. My condolences.
This is Ziki's watch. This is Ziki's watch.
Impossible. Impossible. A lot of kids have the same watch. It's just the same thing. Coincidence. Yeah, it's just a coincidence.
Look. Who's this? This. What's this?
Zichi. My Zichi. Zichi. What will mom do if you leave her alone? Honey. You can't be in trouble.
Get out. Get lost. Don't call me hubby. No wife could be as wicked as you. Zeke, I've called you so many times. You never replied to him. You have the nerve to say you love Zeke.
I didn't know. If I had known it was Zeke calling me, how could I not have answered?
Before this child died. How desperate must it be?
By Xiaolan. You don't deserve to be a mother. No. You don't even deserve to be called a person. If you haven't blocked the fire exit. Wasting time. Would the kid have fallen down?
I didn't mean to. I wasn't near the car. If I were, I would have moved it.
Yeah, you weren't near the car. You were playing mahjong. You even told me. You're really lucky not moving the car.
Mahjong, again with the mahjong. Will you die if you don't play mahjong?
Believe me, I really didn't do it on purpose. I am also Zeke's mom. He's a part of me. How could I not save him?
You're still making excuses. It's all your fault.
This child might have lived a good life. She avoided responsibility and threw him into the furnace to burn alive.
Is what he said true?
Fake, all fake. Honey, they're slandering me. Don't believe him. He's my ex-husband. He's destroying our relationship.
By Xiaolan. You're still denying it. You got your own child killed. And you still don't feel remorse. I'm telling you, everything you did was caught on camera. Evidence is undeniable. See if you'll admit it.
Hubby. All of them. If they had saved her in time, Zichi wouldn't have died. You'll pay for Zichi's death.
You're still arguing.
Son. My son. You'll forgive mom.
Get your hands off me.
Hubby. My son has forgiven me. Please forgive me too, okay? Let's have another child. No. Let's have two.
Your vicious genes don't deserve kids.
I have lots of girlfriends. They're all really pretty. You don't want to have kids with me. I'll introduce them to you, okay? Honey, don't go. Bear. It's all your fault.
It's my fault.
If you didn't come home every day, I wouldn't have to play mahjong. You don't care about me or Zeke at all. Why are you pretending to be a good dad? The one who deserves to die the most is you.
Haven't I given you money? You use, drink, and spend. Isn't the card you're using mine? Everyone says you're a shameless woman. I didn't expect you to be this shameless. I treated you so well. You like this? Repay me?
What did I do wrong? I just went out to play some mahjong. Zichi fell from the stairs on her own. I didn't kill her. Why is everything my fault? If you want to talk about guilt, each one of you is guilty. You all just put all the blame on me.
By Xiaolan. Even now, you still distort facts and talk nonsense. Alright. I hope when the police arrive, you can still be this stubborn.
Honey, I can't. I can't see the police. I swear I won't play mahjong again. How about having another child? I'll stay home daily with the kids. I will never play mahjong again. I was wrong, I really was. From now on, I'll turn over a new leaf and start fresh. Please help me convince my husband, okay? I'm begging you all. I won't dare do it again. Please help me talk to my husband. I'm begging you all to help me talk to my husband. I'm sorry. Can you talk to my husband for me?
You don't know what you're doing wrong. You're such a person. Selfish people don't know they're wrong. You're just scared of not living a rich life anymore.
No, it's not.
I've seen women like you. All looks and no substance. On the inside. Empty and selfish. You won't love anyone. So how could you love your own child? Your child is just a tool you use to manipulate others. Just a tool to make money for you and give you a life of luxury.
No, it's not.
You won't know the pain until it happens to you. I hope you rot in prison. Turn over a new leaf.
Prison. Honey. I can't go to prison. Please save me. Know many people? Help me. I swear I won't play mahjong again. I'll stay home and take care of the kids. Honey, I won't play mahjong again. Save me.
Mahjong, always mahjong. It's this hand, right? I let you play mahjong. Today, I'm cutting this hand off. Let's go. It's this hand, right?
Help me.
I told you to play cards. I told you to play cards.
Help.
I told you to play cards.
Help, help.
I'll cut your hand off.
Honey, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Call an ambulance.
Zeke. Dad was wrong. It was Dad's fault. When you left, you must have hated Dad. Zichi. You're here to pick up Dad, right?